In today's fast-paced world, businesses require a point-of-sale system that can keep up. The Helcim Smart Terminal offers an advanced, all-in-one solution that handles transactions, prints receipts, and manages inventory without additional gadgets or software. This portable terminal simplifies payment operations, giving you more time to serve customers and grow your business. And by the way, if you're interested in signing up to Helcim, for your convenience, I left my affiliate link to their website down in the description of this video. Now, if you sign up using my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. What is a smart terminal? A smart terminal isn't just a credit card machine. It combines the functionality of a traditional point-of-sale system with the flexibility and mobility of modern technology. Unlike traditional payment processors that need several pieces of equipment, a smart terminal consolidates everything into one user-friendly device. Think of it as a high-tech assistant that will help you accept payments, manage inventory, issue receipts, and track customer data, all without needing extra wires, devices, or complicated software. The Helcim Smart Terminal features. The Helcim Smart Terminal is designed to streamline your payment experience and eliminate the need for multiple devices. Let's delve into some of its core features. Multiple payment methods. The Helcim Smart Terminal accepts many payment types to match your customers' preferences, including credit cards, debit cards, and mobile wallets like Google Pay and Apple Pay. It handles tap, chip, and PIN payments securely, ensuring transactions are fast and safe. If a card needs to be manually entered, it processes that smoothly too. Invoices linked to your Helcim account can be processed directly through the terminal, making payment handling straightforward. No matter how your customers prefer to pay, this terminal can handle it all quickly and efficiently. Built-in POS software. The Helcim Smart Terminal isn't just a payment device. It's also a point-of-sale system that helps you manage your business more effectively. It includes an app that lets you track inventory, follow customer transactions, and analyze sales trends. Your data syncs across devices and locations in real time, providing accurate and current information. Whether you have one location or several, this software keeps everything up to date so you can manage stock and sales effortlessly. With this built-in POS software, your business insights are always at your fingertips. Thermal receipt printer. With the Helcim Smart Terminal's thermal printer, receipts print quickly and smoothly every time. It lets you provide a paper copy immediately for customers who prefer physical receipts. Alternatively, you can send digital receipts via email or text for those who prefer a digital record. This cuts down on paper waste while ensuring customers can keep track of their purchases with ease. The built-in printer makes the receipt process faster, reliable, and convenient for both you and your customers. Wi-Fi and standalone functionality. Unlike other payment systems that require extra equipment and complicated setups, the Helcim Smart Terminal is fully standalone. Just connect it to a Wi-Fi network and you're ready to start processing payments right away. Its portable design makes it suitable for in-store and mobile transactions, so you can accept payments wherever your customers are. There's no need for additional gadgets or complicated setups, making the Helcim Smart Terminal convenient and easy to use. Whether you're managing a retail store, clinic, or a mobile business, it adapts perfectly. Enhanced security. The Helcim Smart Terminal ensures your customer payment information stays safe with advanced security features. It uses encryption and tokenization technology to protect against data breaches, keeping sensitive data secure. The device also complies with PCI standards, meaning it meets industry guidelines for data security. This robust security system builds trust with your customers, giving them peace of mind when they pay. With Helcim, you can be confident that your transactions are always secure. Costs and fees. One of the best aspects of the Helcim Smart Terminal is its transparent pricing. You can buy the terminal outright for $329 or pay in 5 monthly installments of $68. Once purchased, you won't have to worry about monthly fees or contracts. Helcim uses interchange plus pricing, which means you only pay for what you process, making the pricing structure fair and easy to understand. Benefits for small and medium businesses. The Helcim Smart Terminal is perfect for small and medium businesses looking to simplify their payment operations. Here's how it can benefit your business. Simplified tech stack by combining payment processing, inventory management, and customer insights into one device. You won't need separate gadgets or software. This makes it easier to manage your operations and saves costs on unnecessary equipment. faster transactions. With the ability to handle various payment methods quickly and securely, including contactless payments like Google Pay and Apple Pay, the Helcim Smart Terminal speeds up the checkout process. Your customers can simply tap their cards or phones to pay, which reduces wait times and keeps lines moving smoothly. Accurate order management. Errors in orders can lead to unhappy customers and wasted resources. The Helcim Smart Terminal reduces the chances of error with features like barcode scanning and the integrated POS software. This helps ensure products are scanned accurately so your customers get what they want every time. Plus, the app provides real-time tracking of stock across multiple locations, keeping you informed. Enhanced customer experience. Customers expect quick and easy checkout experiences, right? The Helcim Smart Terminal's intuitive touchscreen and portable design makes payments simple for customers and staff alike. Offering digital receipts also helps reduce clutter and confusion, while the secure data encryption gives customers peace of mind. Portability and flexibility. Whether you have a retail store, clinic, or are always on the move, the Helcim Smart Terminal adapts to your needs. Its portability allows you to accept payments in store or on the go, and it's perfect for contractors and mobile businesses that need a flexible payment system. Customer support and warranty. Helcim provides lifetime customer support and a 1-year limited warranty with every terminal. Their team is ready to assist you with any issues, ensuring you can focus on your business instead of troubleshooting. Getting started with the Helcim Smart Terminal. Setting up your new Helcim Smart Terminal is easy. Just follow these steps. Unbox and charge. The Helcim Smart Terminal comes with everything you need to get started, including a charging cable and 2 rolls of thermal receipt paper. Begin by unboxing the terminal and charging it for about 4 hours to ensure full battery life. It should last up to 8 hours with printer usage. Set up network and account. Turn on the device and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Log into your Helcim account or create a new one if this is your first time. Then adjust settings like your time zone and tax preferences. Install updates and customize settings. The Helcim Smart Terminal would automatically update the Helcim app, ensuring you have the latest features and improvements. Customize the app's settings to fit your business needs, including tips, discounts, and receipts. Start processing payments. Once everything is set up, you can begin processing payments right away. Accept credit cards, debit cards, and mobile wallets with just a tap or swipe. Use the built-in POS software to track sales, manage inventory, and keep an eye on customer transactions. The Helcim Smart Terminal provides small and medium businesses with an efficient, all-in-one solution that simplifies payment processing, inventory management, and customer insights. With transparent pricing, no monthly fees, and competitive rates, this device offers incredible value. Whether you run a retail store, clinic, or are constantly on the move, the Helcim Smart Terminal will elevate your payment experience. So, are you ready to upgrade your business? Sign up for a free Helcim account today and order the Helcim Smart Terminal to streamline your payment processing and improve your checkout experience. For your convenience, I left my affiliate link to Helcim's website down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and if you sign up to them using my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.